Good morning, kindergartners. Welcome back to Number Corner. Today is Monday, and we're going to find out what the date is. Are you ready? The date is December 14th, 2020. The date is what? Say it with me. December 14th, 2020. So that's our date, and the day of the week is Monday. Today is Monday. To find out what comes before and after Monday, let's go ahead and sing our Days of the Week song. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Now, when we sang our song, what did we say right before Monday? What's the first day of our week? Sunday. Sunday, Monday, you got it, Tuesday. We have Sunday. Here we have Monday. And tomorrow will be Tuesday. Let's go ahead and check out the bears in the box. So, at the beginning of the month, whoopsies, Monday down. I'll put it up later. Now, if you check out our box, we are figuring out where the bear is located. Say that word for me, located. That means, where is the bear? And we have to describe where the bear is. Inside, outside. Inside, outside. Opposites. In, out. Then we have behind, in front. Behind, in front. After that, we have to the left of the box, to the right of the box. Notice every 2 cards is a new location of opposites. So left and right are opposites. Here's left, here's right. They're on different sides, so that means they are opposite. What happened here? The bear was on top, then we predicted that the bear would be underneath. So above or on top, and then underneath or bottom, opposites. Then it starts over again. Inside, outside, behind, in front, to the left, to the right. Now, since this is a pattern, it's repeating, which means whatever came after the box to the right last time should be the same one here. So after this one, matching cards here, what came after the box to the right? Then came the bear on top of the box. Let's see if it's going to be the same. Yep, the bear is on top of the box because it is a repeating pattern. And then it'll be this one again, and then it'll be this one again, that repeating pattern. So if tomorrow is going to be the bear on top of the box, what do you think the day after that will be? I want you to think. Keep it in your brain. We will find out when we come back to Number Corner on Wednesday. So winter break starts right here. So our job is to have a countdown until winter break, which means we're counting down the days until we start our winter break right here. So let's count how many days, including today, until winter break begins. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it hits the weekend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more days until it's the weekend and we begin winter break. That's our countdown. So 5 days today, tomorrow will be 4 days, the next day will be 3. Do you see where we're going? We're counting down instead of up. Alrighty. We were in school. The last time we did a Number Corner video where we counted the days was Monday. So we have to start here at 82 and find out how many days today is. Ready? Start here at 82 with me. 82, 83, 84, 85, 86. Skip the weekend. 87. One more time. 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87. Now I get to keep this 8. That's the 8 for my 80. to represent 8 tens. So I have 8 tens and 7 ones. Is that what we said? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. We have been in school for 87 days. So this is how you write the number 87. And remember, this means 8 tens, 7 ones. 8 tens, 8 10 frames. Then I should have 7 dots down here by themselves. Now I know I have 8 10 frames. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If I count by tens, they make 80. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. How many dots do I need to draw? 7. I already have 80, but now I need 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch my colors. 6 and 7. Just like that. So now I have 80 altogether, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones left over. Looking at my 10 frame, how many more until I fill it up? How many more dots do I need? Show me on your fingers. 1, 2, 3. 3 more until my 10 frame is filled and I'm into my next 10. I'm going to add a 10 frame up. You guys have been doing such a great job, and guess what? It is almost our 100th day of school. 87, which means 13 more days until our 100th day of school. And we have some fun stuff planned for you guys. I can't wait. Okay, for this next part, you will need 6 cubes and a whiteboard. So please make sure that you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cubes with you, okay? Then come back when you have your cubes and a stick. Make sure they're in a stick like this, and your whiteboard. Okie dokie, I have my 6 cubes. Do you have yours? 6 cubes and a whiteboard. Don't worry about this. This is what I am going to be using. On your whiteboard, what I want you to do is write a number sentence with me. A number sentence has numbers, and then it has different symbols. So maybe an addition sign, a subtraction sign, an equal sign. So I'll put it up here, and I want you to write it with me. I'm going to do a line for one of my numbers, like this. Then I'm going to put a plus sign. Remember, that plus sign looks like a lowercase t, and that means we're adding something in. We are adding more. So line, plus sign, line. You should have this right now. Remember, don't worry about this 10 frame. I will be using this. You just need to write what I am writing. Blank plus blank. Now we need an equal sign. Remember, equal sign looks like this. And then one more line like this. On these lines, that's where a number is going to go. So we need to fill in those blanks with numbers. Okay, I'm going to take my cube of 6, my stick of, I said that backwards, my stick of cubes. I have 6, okay? I am going to break it apart into 2 parts. How many parts? 2. I can break it apart any way I would like to, as long as I have a part in this hand and a part in this hand. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to snap. So I have 2 over here and 4 over here. Can you do the same? You should have 2 cubes in one hand, 4 cubes in the other. Now if I put them back together, I'd have 6. But separately, they're 2 different numbers. So what's this over here? 1, 2. My first part is 2. Your job is to write the number 2 on this line. I'm also going to show our parts up here, but you don't have to do that yet. So you should have put 2 on this line. Okay, that's my first part. What's the other part? What's in my other hand? I got this guy. I wrote it down. What's in my other hand? 4. Write it down. 2 plus your next number is 4. I'm going to show our other part down here. You don't have to do this part, but I want to show you. So now I'm showing my two different parts. 2 cubes plus 4 cubes equals, what was our whole? When I put them back together, how many do I have? What number did I start with? Well, we could put them back together and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's right. Write the number 6. This is what my number sentence reads. 2 plus 4 equals 6. What that means is I have 6 all together, but my two parts are 2 and 4. If I put 2 plus my 4 all together, I get 6. And notice I showed them in my 10 frame. 2 and 4. You guys ready to do it one more time? Let's break apart 6 in a new way. Keep this sentence, but we are going to add a new one underneath. So let's write another one. Ready? Keep this one. Underneath it, I'm going to do the same thing, but with no numbers. Blank plus blank equals blank. So make sure you have that. All right, let's stick our cubes back together. Now I have a total of 6. I already broke it apart in one way, which was 2 and 4. I want to break it apart in a different way. How can I break it into two parts, but in a different way? Well, let's break it in half. Now what do I have? 3 and 3. Okay, what's my first part? Oop, Miss Reardon needs to erase her dots. Okay, first part was 3, so write 3 in there. What's my other part? I did this 3. What's this part? 3. Write it in. How many did I start with again? 3 and 3. Well, if I put them back together, my two parts back together, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, I should have 6. So one part I had 3. My other part I had 3. Two separate parts, but all together I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are breaking apart a number into two different ways. One way was 2 plus 4 equals 6. The other way we broke it apart was 3 plus 3 equals 6. Pretty cool. Breaking apart a number in two different ways. Your job is to break apart the number 7. So go ahead and clear this off. You don't need these numbers anymore. Erase, erase, erase. You don't need a 10 frame. All you need is those two number sentences and your cubes. You should have 7 cubes. So if you need to go get one more, go get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What are two different ways to break apart the number 7? All you have to do is snap it and make sure you have a part here and a part here. Write those two parts here, and then you're always going to end up with 7. Your magic number is going to be 7. Go ahead and make sure you have this on your board. Your job is to find out two ways to break apart 7. Do it on your whiteboard, use your cubes, then take a picture and send it in on Seesaw. Good luck breaking apart 7 into two different ways.